So this video is on a 2017 Ford Escape. Lug nuts are commonly swollen on this. The best way to see if you need lug nuts is taking a 19mm socket is one good fit, and going around the vehicle and making sure that it goes in and locks on each one of your lug nuts. If not, the wrench that's made for this vehicle most likely will not fit when you're alongside the road with a flat tire. So it's always good. I'll leave a description and the link below to order them off of Amazon. So the original ones here are a two-piece with a head that swells, and you're not able to get the socket over the top of that after the window or after the lug nut's been removed quite a few times. And the new ones are usually a one-piece that will take the abuse and they will not come apart, so you're able to get a wrench on them. Anyways, this is a 19mm. I'll leave a description below.